Hello everyone, my name is Gordon Reynolds and I am a member of the Web Design and Development Program here at Full Sail. I'm here to discuss the API I've chosen for my application. I actually chose FanFeedr. When I first decided on what type of application I wanted to build, I wanted to do a sports app. So I'm a big fan of the NFL, so I wanted to do something where fans would be able to track their team's information just with a click of the button, kind of, sort of. So I looked around, and the only thing that I could see that would even come close to doing what I wanted was Yahoo, which seemed a little bit entailed and a lot of work to actually get the nooks and crannies of the information you actually wanted. So, in looking around a little more, I came across an app, and the app used FanFeedr to get its information. FanFeedr is built basically for people to create applications. It's not it has apps that you can download and everything, but I think it's actually built for individuals that want to build applications. Not like Yahoo, who has a service, who actually adds an API so you can pull their stuff. I think FanFeedr actually is built for you to build applications. It has features that I'm going to show you that actually solidifies that even more. Like I said, I wanted to do an application for NFL fans, and the way you get the API key is very simple. You just go to their homepage. I mean, most of the time you would go to the API plans and you'd be able to click what you would like to order. But they have buttons to click to order under bronze, silver, and gold, but they don't have a button under basic, which will kind of throw somebody off. You actually have to click register up here in the top right hand corner, or you go to the home page and you go to registration down here. And once you click there, you do the basic sign up for an API, and they make you actually create your application. And once you do that, you get an email stating thank you for signing up an application with us. Then you just sign in. And once you sign in, you get taken to your account page, which shows the API keys that you have, the applications, and you can manage your account there. Underneath, it actually has your API key right at the top, the name of your application that you're actually on, and your key, and it shows you your rate limit, which is based on the package that you choose. When you choose the basic package, which is free, you only get 25 per hour, 25 calls per hour. But it goes up to unlimited, which is another thing. It makes me think it's built for people who are just building applications. One thing about your account page is that it actually allows you to view a report. It's kind of like Google Analytics. It lets you view a report of your hits per hour, and it actually view a report on the errors per hour. So if when I was working on it last week, I actually went over the rate limit and debugging, and I stopped receiving the information. And upon that, I thought it was an error in something I had done. But what it was once you're over a limit, it stops sending information. And when you come to your account page, you can actually see where it timed out, when it actually stopped allowing you to parse information. I found that to be another plus. Up here it shows you all your successful. It lets you view it for 30 days or just that day. It actually shows you a quota of what you have left and the amount of time left in that hour. I think those are really pluses. The way you parse information is also another reason I think this thing is actually built for not only, but majorly for application builders, because it has a tier effect. What you do is you choose your package. Okay, once you choose your package, you list your API keys. Then you choose your API key. Now, once you choose your API key, you can choose between whatever sport or league you want to choose. So you click this button and you click try it. Okay, what it does is it brings you up the JSON and the actual IDs of the things that you're looking for. Like it's this golf, NCAA, NFL, all sports, uncategorized soccer. It goes to, it even has Olympics, other sports, horse racing, very robust. But I chose NFL, so what you would do here is you would grab the ID from the sport that you're choosing. Okay. Once you get that ID, then you use the tier effect and you go down and you click on leagues and you paste that ID there. And then it shows you the ID for the NFL. And once you get the NFL ID, copy that, and you go down to conferences and you click leagues, because that's the only parent item of a conference is a league. So you paste that there, and it brings up the two conferences, the AFC and the NFC. And then you take that ID, first, and you go down to divisions or conference IDs. Leagues. Actually go down to divisions. And you put conferences because conferences is the parent of divisions. You have to know your sport basically, but conferences is the parent of divisions. So you paste in the actual conference ID and it'll give you each division. Okay, then to get the teams within the division, copy, and you click on teams and you put division because division is the parent of teams. It's just a tier effect that trickles down like a pyramid. Then you paste that in there, and now I get the teams of that division. And then I take the ID for that team, and I go down to team IDs, and I put divisions, and now I get the information about the team. Now to get the roster, you use the same team ID, you still put divisions. Oops. And now I get the entire roster of that team. I found this to be very, very amazing. Actually, when you do each one, it gives you the URL here. So all you have to do is copy that, go here and paste it, and then when you parse, it brings you up the information here. It's very simple and very easy to use. I found it to be something that I'll probably use even after class to build sports applications if I choose to. To go back to the page, like I said, it's easy to sign up for. It uses, the only drawback with JSON after I researched JSON a little bit, it doesn't seem that hard to do. It seemed like Yahoo would have been a lot harder than actually learning how to use to parse JSON because it comes in an array type, and you have to actually change it into parsing data and create a string to actually get it to work correctly, which I'm working on right now. But overall, I think this is a great API if anybody plans on building anything that has to do with sports. And my name is Gordon, and that's my screencast. Thank you.